bandage, stethoscope. I need a bandage for my cut. The doctor uses a stethoscope to listen heart. Thermometer, syringe. Check your temperature with a thermometer. The doctor gave me an injection. Scissor, tweezer. Medical scissor is used to cut bandage. We use tweezer to remove small splinters. Cast, crutches. I have a cast on my broken leg. I need crutches to walk after injury. Wheelchair, first aid kit. We use a wheelchair to move around. Every home should have a first aid kit. X-ray, surgical mask. The X-ray showed that her leg was not broken. Wear a surgical mask to avoid spreading germs. Gauze, gloves. She lapped my hand with gauze. Doctor wear gloves during surgery. Antibiotic, antiseptic. The doctor gave me antibiotics for my injection. Use antiseptic to clean the wound. Oxygen mask, defibrillator. The patient needed an oxygen mask to breathe. The defibrillator was used to restart the patient's heart. Cotton ball, pill. Clean the wound with the cotton balls. I take many pills every morning. Medicine bottle, Inhaler. The medicine bottle has my prescription inside. I use an inhaler for my asthma. Cough syrup. Splint. The doctor gave me cough syrup for my cold. The nurse put a splint on my injured hand. Sling. Surgical gown. My arm is in a sling after the accident. The doctor wears a surgical gown during the operation. Hospital bed. Sterile pad. I rested in the hospital bed after surgery. Use sterile pads to dress the wound. Scalpel. Medicine chart. A scalpel is a surgical instrument. The nurse updated my medical chart. Braces. Nasal spray. He wears braces on his teeth. She uses nasal spray to clear her nose. Stretcher. Tongue depressor. He was carried off on a stretcher. The doctor uses a tongue depressor to check my throat. Eye drop. Contact lenses. I use eye drops when my eyes are dry. He wears contact lenses instead of glass. Walking cane. Back brace. He uses a walking cane to help him walk. I wear a back brace to support my spine. Hearing aid. Neck brace. My grandfather uses a hearing aid to hear better. The doctor gave me a neck brace after my injury. Blood glucose meter. Pulse oximeter. The blood glucose meter helps me check my sugar level. The nurse checked my sugar level with a pulse oximeter. Surgical tape. Heart monitor. Use surgical tape to secure the bandage. The heart monitor tracks my heartbeat. Otoscope. Eye patch. The doctor uses an otoscope to look in my ear. She wears an eye patch after surgery. Denture. Compression stocking. My grandfather has dentures. I wears compression stockings to improve circulation. Oxygen tank. Pill crusher. The oxygen tank helps me breathe better. I use a pill crusher to break down my medicine. Bedpan. Ice pack. The elderly patient needed a bedpan. I put an ice pack on my sprained ankle. Tooth extractor. Tongue scraper. Dentist used a tooth extractor to remove tooth. The dentist recommends using a tongue scraper. Tourniquet. Test tube. The nurse applied a tourniquet to take blood. Blood sample were placed in a test tube. Lancet. Colostomy bag. A lancet is used to prick the finger for a blood test. The patient has a colostomy bag after surgery. Syringe needle. Blood bag. The nurse inserted a syringe needle into my arm. The blood bag was ready for transfusion.